name is Charlene Agoncillo, and welcome to Volunteer Talk. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting because yesterday I was just like scrolling my Facebook, and it was just so crazy because ang daming nagko-comment, ang daming posting, ang daming nakatag. Dahil na-release kagabi sa Facebook ang pinakaunang Pinoy, the first Filipino who's having the golden visa through volunteerism. I am so honored for today kasi kasama ko siya. Kasama ko ang nag-iisang Jerome Ski de la Cruz.
Hi.
Hi!
Hello, everyone. My name is Jerome, having a golden visa under the category,
Proud!
yeah,
Yes!
under the category of humanitarian work. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Humanitarian pioneer, to be exact.
Kumusta? Kumusta ka naman kabayan?
Happy ako.
Happy,
Siyempre,
syempre happy ka.
yes, happy kasi nakaka-proud. Alam mo yun, sa sarili ko, proud na proud ako. Kahit sa mga ibang tao, alam mo yun, nakaka-proud kasi the first Filipino. Hindi naman yung lumalako yung ulo. Alam mo yun, alam mo kasi na nagsaserve ka na sa totoo, sa tao, sa community, with your, sa puso
Of
natin,
course,
di ba?
yes. So I just want to ask, paano mo nalaman na through mag-volunteer ka here in Dubai, in UAE, paano mo nalaman na there's gonna be a golden visa in there? Or alam mo na ba na there's after volunteering, you're gonna be having a golden visa? Or share us, paano mo nalaman itong opportunity na to?
Actually, the past few years na nagvo-volunteer tayo sa Filipino community,
Yes.
so nasa puso na natin na through volunteering, alam mo yon yung nag-serve ka through your heart. Tapos, bigla ko lang na, why not na mag-level up per other community, international community, which is, nag-start ako last Ramadan, that was March 2024. So,
Okay.
yeah. So, 4 months, four to
Okay.
5 months. So, hindi ko alam na may ganitong platform ng through volunteering. So, eventually nalaman ko na lang while ongoing yung mga pagbo-volunteer ko kasi almost every day na nasa volunteer ako. So, sa mga tao na nagbo-volunteer na matagal na, so sinasabi nila na why not, sabi na register ka sa volunteers.ae.
Really?
Yes, kasi natutuwa ako kasi what we call this, nag-start ka lang na pag-volunteer para kasi nagbibigay ka ng mga foods eh. Iba kasi yung pakiramdam na nagbibigay ka ng pagkain lalo na sa labor camp, sa Alcos, di ba? Nakikita mo kasi yung life nila na natutuwa sila na nakaka-receive ng foods. Lalong-lalo na ako pag nakikita ko sila tapos nagbibigay
Talaga,
ka.
nagtiteary-eye ka.
Of course.
Yes, how does it feel after mo magbigay, after and also since you've been active in Filipino community na mag-volunteer, what makes you decide na sige, pumunta naman tayo sa sa iba.
Yes, gusto ko kasing ma-experience kasi ito ang Filipino community, ito ang international community kasi mako-compare mo eh. Ile-level up mo lang yung sarili mo na why not na mag-try naman ako kasi ang dami mong mamimit. Since I'm also a vlogger, so I can being an influencer, I can influence also other
Exactly.
volunteers, yes. Malalaman maipapakita mo sa mga followers mo na hindi lang through vlogging ang pinagkakaabalahan ko, which is nagvo-volunteer din ako.
Okay. Nakikita ko sa mukha mo na you're happy.
Of course.
Sobra ba?
Sobrang happy kasi alam mo kasi hindi yung excitement na kasi hindi mo na kailangan na magkaroon ng what you call this, yung trabaho mo, ganitong sahod.
You have your own.
Yes, di ba? Di ba ang
You have
hirap
your-
kasi thank you UAE community,
Of course,
di ba?
that's why everybody loves
Yes.
UAE, di ba? Ano naman ang, how many hours ba kailangan? Kasi you're not just, kasi ikaw sabi mo 4 months, you started
Yes.
like 4 months back. So, how many hours you have accomplished na para magkaroon ka ng golden visa?
Actually, di ba, sabi ko na nag-start ako yung journey ko during Ramadan. So, ang dami kasing nagtatanong kung bakit in a matter of 4 months to 5 months, bakit na-receive mo na 500 hours. Pag na-reach mo na yung 500 hours, just say 501, you can call now the volunteers.ae or automatic, you will receive an email, nomination letter for golden visa.
Wow. Anong
Yes.
feeling? Anong naramdaman mo nung na-receive mo yung email na, my gosh, I'm nominated to have this golden visa?
Happy. Sobrang happy kasi yung hard work mo pays off talaga.
Oh my God, naiyak ka ngayon.
Oo, kasi alam mo yun na bakit there's a lot of friends or people that they are asking, what are the benefits na nagbo-volunteer ka instead na 8 to 5 ang work mo and then 5 to 9 nagbo-volunteer ka
Exactly.
sa metro station? Because there's a lot of kabayan na friend natin na dumadaan sa metro station.
Yes.
Actually, I was an ambassador before on Pasig Metro Station. So, sinasabi ko na, ine-explain ko sa kanila na ganito ang mga benefits, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, kasi pagod na pagod ka that time eh. Galing ka sa work after all the stress, tapos magbo-volunteer ka. So, siguro nasa puso ko ang pagbo-volunteer.
Siguro, I mean, for everyone na parang after ng office, a lot of people will be like, para mawalang stress, alam mo yun, go out. For you, para mawalang stress mo after work, you will go through, mag-volunteer ka na lang. Kasi it helps you feel good inside na parang ma-release
Yes.
mo yung stress mo. Anyways, aside from the 500 hours, what other requirements are they gonna be asking para mag-apply ng Golden Visa?
Actually, what I did is I asked from the previous people who got the Golden Visa. So, I asked them, so what next step? So, the next step is you need to download the UAE ICP, which is from the UAE ICP. You can attach all your tested documents, which is your certificate, degree certificate, proof of photos, and you have also you need to upload the passport and visa and Emirates ID. So once you upload it and you submit it, after 2 days, you will receive an email that you are approved already from the ICP. You will go now to the next. They have a reference number. They will give to you, and you will go now to Japilia Immigration, and then from Japilia Immigration, you can submit your Emirates ID photocopy. You can print the reference number that they give from ICP approval, and then immediately, once they receive it, after 15 minutes, congratulations, you can proceed now to Amir and pay the
Wow.
the fees, processing fee.
For that four months na nag-volunteer ka, what are the challenges that you face during that 4 months na nag-volunteer ka? Ano yung mga challenges na ano mo na kahit yun ang naharap mo is hindi ka pa rin nag-stop mag-volunteer?
Actually, there's a lot of challenges actually. Sa pag-volunteer, yun yung sinasabi ko, yung mga kababayan natin or mga Filipino community na ano yung napapala mo bilang. Doon ako naghumuhugot ng, na yung lakas para I want to continue with volunteer. Since they are telling me that already there's a benefits coming from the Emirates Foundation, which is the Golden Visa.
Yeah.
So I have the eagerness to continue. Talagang kinontinue ka hanggang matapos. Until now, if I have the Golden Visa already, so I need to continue more.
Mag-continue ka pa rin
Yes.
kahit
I
may
want to
Golden Visa.
inspire other Filipino and other nationality na ang pag-volunteer is nasa puso natin yan. Hindi natin hinangad, there's a lot of benefits, which is ito nga Golden Visa.
Diba? Parang everyone is so proud of you. I can see sobrang dami nag-share that magvo-volunteer na daw sila.
Yes.
See, being an influencer, ikaw, that hindi lang ano, pero ang dami mong na-influence ng mga tao
Totoo.
that mag-volunteer na din. Mag-volunteer na din tayo even though like 500 hours na kaya nga ni Kabayan, bakit hindi natin kakayanin,
Yes.
diba? So, for you, what's gonna be your advice to everyone like who'd like to go through mag-volunteer, not just in Filipino community,
Yes.
but also sa ibang komunidad din?
Anyway, volunteering is as long as you serve, as long as you have the heart, you can be a volunteer. Start where you are now, use what you have, and do what you can. So that's, as long as you have the focus, dedication in volunteering, you can serve the community.
Yes, that's actually serving the community is the best, right?
Yes.
So, saan nila paano ang process? Like me, if hindi ako, kung bago ako, paano ko isasali ang sarili ko into the community na volunteer group?
Actually, there's a lot of platform in volunteering. So one is the volunteers.ae. You have also Dubai Police. You can do volunteer also in their platform. Dubai Cares, Sharjah volunteering platform, and Emirates Red Crescent.
Oh.
And after that, you can also download the volunteers.ae, which is you can check from your dashboard. You can monitor all the what we call this the volunteer hours. You can download volunteers.ae.
Wow, kailangan ko ma-achieve yung 500 hours.
Actually, from volunteers.ae, from there, you can from volunteers.ae, they will give you the volunteers number, which is you can use it in the
Mhm.
next event, volunteers events. And
Ah.
from their dashboard, you can check also the activities. There's Sharjah, there's Dubai, there's Ras Al Khaimah, there's Al
So I
Ashman.
just have to choose which.
Yes. As long as you
Okay.
have the time, as long as you have the heart
Of
to serve the
course.
community.
Oo naman. Lahat naman tayo willing to serve the community. I just want to ask, before I'm gonna be asking you for advice for everyone, I'm gonna ask, what's yung naramdaman mo, yung first day, pinaka-first day mo mag-volunteer?
Actually, dati tayo tayong nagbo-volunteer sa Filipino community. When it comes to other nationality, iba yung feelings. Kasi nakikita mo yung smile on their faces while giving foods. Iba yung pakiramdam. Kaya gusto ko sa mga gustong mag-volunteer, you need to be, alam mo yun, maging inspiration ka sa kanila. Kasi nakikita mo yung pagiging helping mo sa kanila. Kasi sabi nga nila, God gave me you two hands. And the other hand is helping for yourself and the other hand is helping for others.
Wow. I really can see the tears in your eyes. You're just
Yeah,
controlling
thank
it.
you so much.
Anyways, because of that happiness, right?
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Jerome. Why don't you invite our kababayan, encourage our kababayan
Yes.
if they do have time to volunteer? What's going to be your advice for them?
I will advise to those kababayan na gustong mag-volunteer. You can start it, serving community. Kasi doon tayo na mumolda sa volunteer doon. Hindi mo, wala kang ina-expect na kapalit. Kung baga, through your heart, nagvo-volunteer ka. And of course, sa mga ibang lahi naman, you can start, download the volunteers.ae. And later on, maybe you have also your golden visa.
Diba?
Yes.
It's just like giving and giving your time
Yes.
for anyone.
And you do not expect that, yeah.
Yes. Oo. Masaya.
Masaya.
Fulfillment yun para sa isang
Exactly.
tao. Diba? Anyways, thank you very much, Mr. Jerome. Where they can follow you?
You can follow to my Facebook platform, Jerome's Kid Channel, my Instagram, my YouTube also, Jerome's Kid Channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Jerome, for joining me for this volunteers
Thank you, Miss Charlene,
talk.
also.
Thank you very much. And this has been your friend. My name is Charlene. I'm going to be seeing you for our next episode for a very special guest. But next time. Thank you. Good night, everybody.